Welcome to our comparison of the Ovally Mini Drone and the DJI Neo 3 battery combo. Today, we'll explore their features, performance, and value to help you make an informed decision. The Ovally Mini Drone is an affordable option for beginners, while the DJI Neo offers advanced capabilities for those willing to invest more. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to camera quality, the Ovally Mini Drone features a 1080p HD camera, which is decent for casual use but may not satisfy those looking for high-quality footage. In contrast, the DJI Neo boasts a 4K UHD camera that delivers stunning video quality, making it ideal for content creators and those who prioritize video performance. The difference in resolution can significantly impact the overall viewing experience. The Ovally Mini Drone offers basic features like gesture control and voice commands, making it user-friendly for beginners. However, the DJI Neo stands out with advanced features such as AI subject tracking, palm takeoff, and quick shots, which enhance the flying experience and allow for more creative filming options. These features make the DJI Neo a more versatile choice for those looking to capture dynamic footage. Price is a crucial factor when choosing between these two drones. The Ovally Mini Drone is priced at $79, making it an affordable option for beginners and casual users. On the other hand, the DJI Neo is priced at $289, reflecting its premium features and superior video quality. While the higher price may deter some, the advanced capabilities of the DJI Neo justify the investment for serious drone enthusiasts. In conclusion, both the Ovally Mini Drone and the DJI Neo 3 battery combo have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for an affordable entry-level drone, the Ovally is a great choice. However, if you want superior video quality and advanced features, the DJI Neo is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.